Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Holman rear window screens for the RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 4071P. It is the window screens for the rear windows on the RAM ProMaster. If you've got the glass back there, this is going to protect that glass and protect the valuables inside the van. This is a set of two, comes boxed like this. Right on top, we've got our warranty card, 3-year warranty from Holman. If you buy this from an authorized retailer like UpfitSupply, just make sure you're checking out your retailer before you're making your purchase. We have an installation guide. This is pretty generic for basically all the different window screens that they make. They're basically follow the exact same process no matter the vehicle when you're installing these. We're going to install this on the van behind me, which is a RAM ProMaster high roof. And you can see here we have our gray Holman particle finish, so this matches like the shelving, partitions, other accessories that Holman makes. For cargo vans, we have a stamp on here, just says 4071P, so these must not be side specific. Got some dunnage here. We've got our bag of, looks like sheet metal screws and lock washers, so installation process is going to be basically holding these up against the windows, marking some drilling locations, doing a small hole with a drill, then using your sheet metal screws to secure these to the window area of the van. So we've got one here, second one here. So this is sold as a set of two. You're covering both rear windows with this. If you do have the side glass and the side sliding door, that's going to be a separate part number. This is just for the rear doors. ProMaster, you know, you can, in the van behind me, we do have the glass in the rear, but we don't the side sliding door. I've seen some people purchase these window screens even if they just have the sheet metal or the sheet metal there, they have the window deleted, and they'll use it as an organization tool. They'll just install this and then they'll hang bungee cords and whatever else from it. So I've seen some people do that too, but this is primarily going to be used for protecting the glass on the van, as well as protecting the inside of the van to make sure that you're not, just makes it harder to break in through a window and start pulling things out of the van. Now, let's just take a quick measurement here of these, of this grid. I've got this in inches, and I think these are just a 1-inch square. Let me double check. 1.35 inches square there. So 1.25 inches, 1 3/8 square at the larger parts, and then, you know, it gets smaller on the edges as well. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mounting points on each screen. So it's going to have a nice, secure connection to the van. Pretty easy installation. Includes everything that you need in the box. Now, if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.